The BMW i7 2026 is a top-tier luxury electric sedan that combines advanced technology with elegant design. Its exterior looks modern and stylish, featuring a large illuminated kidney grille, slim LED headlights, and a smooth aerodynamic body that gives it a strong presence on the road. Inside, the cabin feels like a luxury lounge. The driver gets a curved digital display, and a large central touchscreen controls entertainment, navigation, and car settings. Voice commands make it easy to interact with the car. Rear passengers enjoy executive-level comfort with a big entertainment screen, soft ambient lighting, and high-quality materials that add a premium touch. The i7's performance is impressive, with electric motors delivering instant, smooth acceleration. The adaptive air suspension ensures a quiet, comfortable ride, while advanced driver assistance systems keep driving safe and stress-free. What makes the BMW i7 special is how it combines silent electric performance with true luxury. It's not just an EV, it's a comfortable, stylish, and high-tech sedan designed for those who want the ultimate in comfort, innovation, and prestige.